I recently got sent these two stick shape things, which I have took a video for each of them, but in this video I'm concentrating on this. For this, look at the other video up there. This is a 360 camera from, it's called QooCam from Kandao. Kandao is the company in Mandarin, and it's roughly translated to I can see, something like that. It's a hybrid 360 and 180 camera. So what is a 180 camera? Now it's a 360 camera with gyro built in, just like the Insta360 I showed you last time. So you can have this invisible selfie stick trick again. And it shoots 4K 60p as well. So of course it also means that it got stabilization built in, digital stabilization. Now when you bend it to L shape like this, it immediately switches to shoot 180 degrees VR and in 3D. Also apparently this is the only 180 degrees camera that do stabilization. Obviously you can't watch 3D in this video. You have to click to here. You have to use a VR goggle to watch this. I mean 3D movie is kind of silly, but 3D mixed with VR, I think this is what is supposed to be. So I'm sure you ask why 180 when you have 360? Well, the thing is not every single scenario you really need 360. For example, in a racing car, the only thing meaningful is in front. You only actually need 180. And 180 is one way to do 3D on a small device like this. If you want 360 3D, you need a much bigger device. Also with the limited dynamic range on these kind of small sensor, shooting 180, less thing in the scene, so you can get more things correctly exposed in one scene because there's less thing in the scene. This is the camera with the cover on. Yep, it comes with a cover, which you can use it as a stand as well. I like that it comes with a cover. A lot of other 360 camera only give you a pouch to carry it or something. This is a really nice cover, easy, in and out, in and out. There's two cameras on one side, one camera on the other side, on-off button. The whole thing is full metal body. Looks really nice and feels really nice. On the side here's a micro SD card slot, and then this USB port for charging. I have to say this is the worst part. I mean the whole thing is really beautiful. The worst part is this USB port. It's just really got some problem with designing this port. It's hard to get out, hard to put it back. Seriously. I mean, it's not just this particular model. I don't get a bad copy because this is consistent of other reviews as well. Everyone complain about this. Oh my god. So you gotta have to use a tool to get it out. So according to Kandao, they have redesigned this port and promise that you won't find this problem in new batch of production. Of course, at the bottom you got a tripod mount. Connect with your phone with Wi-Fi. And then it changed from 360 to 180 like this. Well, apart from that USB port, the whole thing feels premium, especially this hinge. So how is it performed? Although the lens has quite a bit of color fringing, the 360 video generally pleasing. The internal mic is surprisingly good for a small device like this. Pretty good for a 360 camera. If you have a VR goggle, I highly recommend that you check out the link on top right. 3D and VR is really the perfect match. For 3D still, you can also play with refocus, shadow depth of field effect, because why not? Now what do I think of this QooCam 180? The thing is, this is the first time I actually tried 180 video shooting. I was hoping that I would use it like invisible 76, use it like 360 camera. Now what I always like to do is shooting 360 like this. I stick up a selfie stick in front of me and then the selfie stick just disappear. But that means I have to tilt it. I can't hold it upright. But when I tilt it, when I shooting 180, it will either point down, up, downward or upward like that. So I can't shoot 180 like that. It turns out I just realized when I shoot 180, I really have to like stick it upright. So I can't play with this invisible selfie stick. So it turns out it's really not for me. It can do that kind of 360 that I want, but when I shoot with 360, I will probably take a smaller 360 camera than this. But when it shoots 3D 180, the result is amazing. Seeing 3D inside the VR is really something. This is probably the easiest, the cheapest way to do 3D VR. No doubt of that.